I got your question. Let's see, this is chapter 7, section 4, I guess, number 15 out of the book. You're asking about this part here. How do you find P of X? So you compute P of X using a binomial probability formula to determine where the normal distribution can be used to estimate the probability. So approximate P of X, if it's possible. So I guess you must have found it using the binomial formula, maybe technology or by hand. And then I guess you said yes, you can approximate it using normal distribution. So then they asked you to do this. And so I found the mean of the samples, n times p, where n and p are given up here. That product's 21.2. Then the standard deviation for the sample is square root of n times p times 1 minus p, which is 53 times 0.4 times 1 minus 0.4, which comes out to 3.57. So I'm going to use the normal calculator. You go into StatCrunch calculators, choose normal, and I clicked on between. I put in the mean, which just calculated at 21.2, put in standard deviation, which is 3.57. So what we want to find, P of X, and where X is 20. So we want to find P of 20, where, 20, this is for discrete, binomial distribution, and we want to approximate it with the continuous normal distribution. So I'm using, approximate it. So here you've got correction for continuity. You got to go half on each side of this. 20 minus a half and 20 plus a half, be from 19 and a half to 20 and a half. So, you put that in here, you click compute, it gives you the answer here. I know it differs by 1 digit, but it'll accept this one. This is actually a little bit more accurate than, say, what the table would give you. If you use the table, this is actually a more accurate answer, and the computer will accept it. Hope this helps.